Me, your boy. For dinner tonight with NutriSystem, we've got, and this is one of their frozen items, Salisbury steak with mac and cheese. Or as I like to call it, literally just a TV dinner. Let me get a sip of water first. Well, I gotta say, first of all, neither of these look great. I mean, that meat is just sad. These just look, like at one time in its life it was frozen. Anyway, shall we begin? I'm gonna start with the mac and cheese. Ooh. I broke the initial layer and even more steam poured off. As you can see, it looks pretty serviceable. Holy shit, that's hot. I can't taste my tongue anymore, it's so hot, but that was actually some really good mac and cheese. For the duration of time I was able to taste it. I'm gonna need more water. Alright, let's, I know you guys are waiting, let's just get right into it. Let's get into this steak. It's Salisbury steak though, so you know. Heat? Hotter than the dying stars of this universe. Flavor? My initial impression, I know has to be wrong, because my initial impression is Italian meatball. Yeah, Italian meatball. What the hell? I mean, this is pretty good. I'll give this meal like a 7.5. This is pretty enjoyable. Be careful with it in terms of heat, but yeah, it's pretty good. It's just weird that the steak tastes like meatball, but I mean, it tastes like good meatballs, so. It's not what you expect, but it's not bad. Anyway, hope you all have a wonderful night. See you next time.